ahead. Well, let's go back over here. But I'm going to skip this part, okay? Okay, first of all, we are doing our non-alternative hypothesis, just like we did before. We determine our significance level. But here's where we're going to make it different. We're going to go to our calculator, okay? We're going to turn it on, press clear. We're going to go to Stat. We're going to go out to Test. And we're going to choose Z-Test. Now, why Z-Test? Because you have a population standard deviation. Refer back to Chapter 7. In Chapter 7, if you had a population standard deviation, you use the Z-interval. If you had a sample standard deviation, you use a T-interval, right? In this one, it's going to be the same kind of thing, but instead of intervals, it's tests. So if you have a population standard deviation, you're going to use a Z-test. If you have a sample standard deviation, you're going to use a T-test. Okay, it's the same thing. Population Z, sample T. Okay? So we're going to have this. We're going to do the Z-test. We're going to have our mu sub O. The mu sub O is basically your non-alternative hypothesis right there. That's where you put in here. Okay? It's going to be 28 in this case. So it's 28 there. You want to find out what your population standard deviation is. It's 4.3. So you're going to have 4.3. You want to find the sample mean. The sample mean was 26, right? So it's 26. You want the sample size. The sample size is 49. And therefore you want the alternative. See, this is for the alternative. So that's not equal to, and you just highlight not equal. And then you hit the calculate button. And you look for your p-value. See that p-value? Same as the one that we got before. See that right here, this test statistic, if you round it to 2 decimal places, is negative 3.26. Same numbers that we got before. Okay? So we calculate these. See that negative 3.26? Okay, so there, you get there. You get to that one right there. See? 0.0011. That's your p-value. Your p-value is less than your alpha, reject the null, and you state it, you do the sentence. So any questions on this? So let's look at this one right here.